Alright guys, today I have a rubber boat for you. It's made in Ukraine and you can see it's called Bark. I'm gonna try and pump it up. I've got a nice motor for it, outboard motor, and try to run it. The boat is really looking nice. It's got a safety valve, it's got 2 benches, it's got a placing for the outboard motor. Here's the parameters. It only takes 80 mils of oil. What I want to do now is see if the engine works, because that's the main thing. I mean, if we put it on the water, it may turn out that we have no power. Okay guys, so we are at the brink of going into the water. The engine is tested, the boat is pumped up, we have everything. That means we have the life jackets on. We're gonna load everyone in and then time to go for a journey. And we're about to move into the water now.